Ready to kickstart your Cognizant adventure? Let's walk you through generating your onboarding pass, officially launching your journey. First, navigate to the Cognizant onboarding portal. Inputting your credentials, username and password Cognizant provided. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the Create Onboarding Pass or Initiate Onboarding button, potentially located on your dashboard or in profile settings. Clicking that will start the process. You may be prompted to create your employee account, inputting your first and last name, email, and other necessary information. Double-check everything. Next, the document upload section. Upload required documents like ID verification and address proof. Have these documents readily available. Follow screen prompts to select and upload each file. Check that the correct file type is supported and that each upload is successful. After account creation and document uploads, a review phase may occur. Verify all information and documents one last time, then submit everything by clicking Submit. Your onboarding pass is generated. Expect feedback or notifications as task signifies you're ready to join the team. Welcome aboard.